Hey everyone, it's Jason from ThruNite, and today we're showing you a new product. The flashlight we're showing you today is the H01, the Joe Robinet edition. And Joe, if you're unfamiliar, is an outdoor enthusiast who films and uploads videos of his adventures to his YouTube channel. And we're partnering with him with a new edition of the H01, which was under the WowTech name that we're bringing under the ThruNite umbrella. It's an orange flashlight, and we're going to start right now with the unboxing. The H01 can be used as a headlamp with the soft camo style headband, or as a handheld light. It's super lightweight, very compact. It runs on a 16350 battery and is rechargeable with a micro USB charging cable. The H01 tops out at 687 lumens on turbo mode. It's got 6 brightness modes, a top beam distance of nearly 300 feet. Of course, it's water resistant and drop resistant as well, like you expect with other ThruNite flashlights. Using the headlamp is very simple, like other ThruNite flashlights. Just a one button operation, hold to cycle between low, medium, and high, double click for turbo. It also has an SOS feature, which can be very handy in emergency situations. It's got a great price point too. This isn't going to be like a ThruNite TH30, which is more designed for people who need a lot of power, a lot of battery. This is going to be a great entry-level headlamp for overnight trips, camping trips, any outdoor activity that you need to just grab a light and go with it for a little while. This is a great light for you. So the JR H01 is available today on our website, ThruNite.com. Make sure to click on over there, use the code 2020 at checkout for 20% off until December 23rd. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you again shortly in another video. Thanks.